Hello friends, and welcome to the first video tutorial of XX Roses by Third Story Apartment, aka Lindsay Aaron. Alright, so if you are brand new to Showit, if you have never used this platform before, I hope that you enjoy it as much as I do. I'm going to give you a quick rundown of things that are important to know as you are starting to customize your site. First and foremost, whenever I log into my account, I always come down to the views. So you have Show Mobile View and Desktop, Show Mobile Only, and Show Desktop Only. I typically always set it to Show Desktop Only just so I can see what I'm working with. The next important thing that you should know is that you have two tabs in your left-hand dashboard. You have a Site tab, which will show you your site settings, your design settings, your media library, your pages, your blog templates, and your site canvases. Then you also have a Page tab. This will be important for whenever you start editing each of the pages within your template. But for now, let's go back to the site. In your Site tab, one of the first things that you'll want to do is go in and change your site settings. Here is where you can change your site name, add your custom domain, a favicon, a vanity URL. You can also click on the Blog tab, and this is where you can learn to figure out how to configure your blog. And if you don't know how to do that, don't worry, Showit is there in the chat box to help. All right, next thing is your design settings. This is where you will change your colors and your fonts. To do that, you simply click on any of these tabs and you can enter in a hex code or move around this little guy to pick a new color. For your fonts, you can come up here to fonts. You can add any of the Google fonts, gosh, let me say that correctly, Google fonts, by just clicking and hitting add Google fonts. Or you can upload your own custom fonts through your library right here. All right, so back into design settings, if we go to site style, then we can also come down and change each of the headings, the subheadings, and choose from the fonts that we have. There's more information in the PDF about this, so if you have more questions, refer to the PDF. All right, next we have our media library. This is where you will be able to upload images that are cohesive with your brand. To do that, you simply hit upload files, and you can go down to any of your files and choose upload. All right. So then we have our pages. Your whole entire website is built out of pages. So you will see we have a home page, we have an about page, we have a gallery page, and so on and so forth. The difference between pages and blog templates is the fact that pages are non-WordPress pages, they're static pages, and the blog templates are reflecting things that are happening within the blog. So for instance, if you choose to have a blog roundup on your homepage, you will want to come and use the template under the home template under blog templates because it's using WordPress. And last but not least, we have site canvases. These are important canvases to know about because they are canvases that can be used across your website. So as you can see, we have our navigation. On every single page, the navigation is the same. And if we change it, you'll see that it has like these crossover things. If you hit edit navigation, whatever change you make on this canvas will actually reflect on all the canvases across the board. So that goes the same with your gallery drop-down menu, your roundup for your blog, your page nation, all of these, anything that is here, your footer. If you make one change on these canvases where it says site canvas, it'll reflect across the board. Very, very important to know. All right, that's it for the very first basics of what you should know. So if you want more information on how to edit the pages within the template, keep on watching in the next video.